loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Unspoken Wordz, where we're all about making the natural hair community a community and helping you to love yourself and your hair. So I do a lot of things with the channel. Hair advice, normal advice, spoken word pieces. I do other things as well. I call myself an artist, not just a spoken word artist, but like an artist, so I kind of put all those links in the description box below, so follow me on TikTok, on Instagram. I don't really use Facebook. I just kind of use it for my hair group chat. So you guys want to join the hair group chat, I'll put that in the link down below as well. It'll all be within one link anyway. So yeah, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Where else am I? Of course, in YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. That's a very awkward hand movement, but you know, we'll just skip by. But yes, that's basically it. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is kind of discussing some simple, easy, effective, and when you think about it, very, very easy, very self-explanatory ways of stopping or reducing tangles when you are combing your hair, if that makes sense. So I get a lot of questions, a lot of hair questions. One of them is, how do you stop your hair from getting retangled after you have brushed your hair? So I think for people who have been in this natural hair journey for a while and really know their hair, will kind of be like, okay, that's easy, that's like really easy. But this is more so for the people who would like to know and don't necessarily understand. So I'm just going to give you a couple of tips. It's going to be a quick video. So yeah, let's get straight into it. The first thing that I have is that when you're detangling your hair, do it in sections. I mean, you could do it all at once, but y'all, our hair is thick, coily. Yeah, doing it all at once does not make sense. Our hair is not naturally straight, so you don't need to be doing it all at once, you know. So do it in sections, please. It's gonna save you a lot of time, a lot of energy. You're not gonna be as frustrated, let me tell you that right now. Second tip, do it when you're doing it in sections. Don't just kind of like leave it in like little puffs. So let's say you're gonna divide it into 4 sections. Don't just like, it'll be like 4 puffs. Twist those sections up. Depending on how thick your hair is and how much hair you have will depend on how much sections that you want to do, or depend on how much time also you have will depend on how much sections that you would want to do. I personally do, a minimum of 4, but that is, again, it depends on if you can do it in 4, because it also depends on your hair length. The sections depends on you, okay, and all of that stuff that I just talked about. But yeah, also twist up those sections, keep them twisted, because when you keep them twisted, it stops it from kind of retangling within itself, and just keeps it stretched as well. So the fact that it keeps it stretched means that it's not going to coil back up and then coil together and then get tangled. Another thing that is great to help it to stop, you know, tangling back up when you comb it, is to keep it hydrated / moisturized. You know, when your hair is more lubricated and you know you've watered it, oiled it, etc., it slips. It doesn't cause the friction that causes the knots, or the fairy knots, or whatever knots you don't want to talk about. So it stops it reduces the friction, and it stops it from getting knotted very easily. So and once you are doing the style that you want to do, of course, keep it in do the sections that you need to do for that particular style, but also keep those sections in twists, preferably. You can braid it if you want to, corner it, but yeah, just twisting is the easiest way you can do it. So let me know if you have any other tips and tricks on how to keep your hair from being tangled. Put it in the description box, the comment box, put it in the comments down below, and I would love to hear it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I loves.